Your HP laptop turns on, fans are running, power light is on, but the screen stays completely black. Before you panic or spend money on repairs, stop right here. In this video, I will show you 5 proven fixes that work on most HP laptops. No software needed, no tech skills required. Watch till the end because the last method fixes laptops that nothing else can. First, turn off the laptop completely. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Now unplug the power cable and remove the battery if it's removable. Again, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. After that, connect the power cable and turn on the laptop. If the display appears, you are good to go. If the screen is still black, move to the next method. Power off the laptop and open the back cover. You will see the RAM or memory modules. Push the side locks outward and remove the RAM. Take a clean eraser and gently clean the RAM contacts to remove any carbon or dust. Now reinsert the RAM properly. Close the back cover, power on the laptop and check the display. If the screen is still black, go to the next method. Connect your laptop to an external monitor or TV using HDMI, VGA or any available port. Power on the laptop and use the display switch key to check if the image appears on the external screen. If the display works externally, visit hp.com, download and update the VGA or graphics drivers. If there is still no display, continue to the next step. Make sure your laptop is plugged into the wall outlet. Press and hold the Windows key plus B key. Then press the power button for 1 second. Keep holding the keys and wait about 40 seconds. If the HP BIOS recovery screen appears, your problem should be fixed. If not, move to the final method. Open the back cover again and locate the CMOS battery. Carefully remove it and replace it with a new one. Reassemble the laptop and power it on to check the display. Guys, I hope one of these methods works for you. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.